Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the pistol safe. Clear the chamber and remove the magazine. Do this first every time. Once done, set the Hellcat Pro in a padded vise or support to keep the slide level. This prevents torque during tightening. Make sure to have the correct plate or adapter for your optic, the manufacturer screws, and a small amount of blue thread locker. You want control over alignment now, because a steady platform makes the rest predictable and repeatable. You now seat the optic onto the plate or machined footprint, hand-starting screws in a star pattern so the base sits flat. This prevents cant. Once the screws are snug, torque them to the manufacturer's spec, not more. Over-torque risks stripping or warping. Then set a rough zero at 7 to 10 yards. Aim center, fire groups of 3 to establish impact point. This rough alignment lets you see windage and elevation offsets before final fine-tuning. You complete the process by dialing the turret adjustments in small steps. Move one click, then fire a 3-shot group to confirm. Once groups are consistent at your desired zero, perform a 50 to 100 round durability check and retorque mounting screws if needed, because screws can settle. If you see persistent drift, make sure the plate fits flush and there's no debris, confirm screw lengths and thread engagement, and consider replacing a worn adapter that you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.